Morning students, today's topic is how we can make trial balance with the help of journal and ledger. There are some entries, so we will make journal first of all. Date, particulars, ledger folio, amount, debit, amount, credit. The first entry is on January 1st 2019 business started, cash account debit, to capital account. Being business started, and the amount is 2 lakh rupees. The next entry is furniture purchased of rupees 20,000 on January 5. Furniture account debit, to cash account. Being furniture purchased, rupees 20,000. The next entry is goods purchased on January 20. Purchases account debit, to cash account. Being goods purchased, and the amount is 50,000. The next entry is goods sold January 31. Cash account debit, to sales account. Being goods sold, rupees 40,000. Students, we are taking some entries as an example, and firstly we transfer all the entry. We will make all the entry in journal account. You have already learned how to make journal account, so we will make in this way the journal account. After making the journal, we transfer all the entries into the ledger, because why we made ledger? Because we want to classify all the entry. and when we want to classify, at that time there is a need of ledger. At that time we prepare ledger. And how we can make ledger you have already learned. In that method we will make the ledger accounts. So as you know, firstly we will write all the accounts name. The first one is cash account. We will write one name only one time, cash account, and in the entry is other name is capital. So we will write cash account and capital account. In rough, cash account, capital account, and third one is in the second entry you are seeing that here furniture is written. This is a different account. So we will write here furniture account, and here is the same account, cash is written. So we will not write again cash because we have already written cash, but furniture has not been written. So we will write in the rough furniture account. In rough copy we will write down all the names of accounts. The next entry, here purchases is written, purchase is written, so we will write here purchases account. Next account, cash is already written, here is also cash, so we will not write here, but sales is different account, so we will write here sales account in rough. All these accounts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 4 entry, these accounts will be prepared in ledger account. How we can make ledger account? You have already known very well. So, but we will prepare here the ledger because we want to make trial balance. In trial balance, there is a need of ledger because trial balance is made for the accuracy of ledger accounts. The first one is cash account. So we will write here cash account. And date, particular, LF and amount. Again date, particular, LF and amount. Date, particulars, ledger folio, amount, date, particulars, ledger folio and amount. This is debit side and this is credit side. If in journal entry there is something debit, it will come in the credit. And one more important thing, in the cash account, cash will not come. The same name cannot be come in the same account. Other name, other account will transfer into the ledger. But this is also very important. If the entry is given in debit, it will transfer into the credit. As we know, the first entry is cash account debit and to capital account. Cash account will not be written here, so we will write here capital account, and capital account is written in the credit side of the journal entry, so we will write here in the debit side. To capital account, we will write here date, and amount is of rupees 2 lakh. In this way, In this way we will transfer the first entry. This is the ledger posting. It is called ledger posting, and journal entry is from journal entry we will see and transfer the opposite entry in the ledger account. Now we will see the next entry, furniture purchase. At that time we have written furniture account debit to cash account. Furniture is other name, so we will write here furniture account, and furniture account is debited, so we will write here in credit side by furniture account. We will enter here date and we will write here by furniture account, and the amount is given of rupees 20,000. Next entry is goods purchased. What was the entry? Purchases account debit to cash account. So we will write here purchases account is written in the debit, so we will write in the credit side by purchases account, and amount is 50,000. Now the last entry is goods sold, cash account debit to sales account was the entry, so we will write here to sales, because sales is written credit, so we will write here in the debit side to sales, and the amount is 40,000. After doing this, we will take balance. This side is bigger, so we will write here 2,40,000. Here we will write same 2,40,000, and we will deduct the total of credit side. 70,000 will be deducted, and the balance would be 1,70,000, and we will write here on the last date, that was January 31, by balance carried down, and in this side we will write 1,70,000 on February 1. Here the first date of the next month will come, and we will write here to balance brought down. In this way our first account is prepared in the journal, from the journal to ledger. These are the ledger posting, and we will prepare the next account. Next account is capital account. Capital account was entered in the beginning, and capital account is given in the first entry only, and the entry was cash account debit to capital account. In capital account you cannot write capital, so you will write the cash account, and cash account was given in your entry in debit side, so we will write in credit side by cash account, and amount was of 2 lakh. In capital account you cannot write capital account, so you will write other name, and other name was cash account, and cash account was written in debit side, so we will write in credit side, and you will not find capital in any other entry, so we will take balance. Here is 2 lakh, and here is in this side there is 0, so we will write same 2 lakh, and after deducting 0 you will find same 2 lakh, and we will write here on the last date 2 balance carried down, and in this side again 2 lakh, and we will write here the first date of next month February 1 by balance brought down. In this way we prepare the capital account, and the next account is furniture account. We will see our journal and find what was the entry of furniture purchased. The entry was furniture account debit to cash account. In furniture account you cannot write furniture, so we will write other name, and other name is cash account. Furniture account debit to cash account, and cash account was written in credit side, so we will write in the debit side. Here we will enter date, and other name was cash account, so we will write here cash account, and the amount is 20,000. There you will not find anywhere the name of furniture, so this account is completed, and we will find the balance of 20,000. After deducting 0 you will again find 20,000, and the last date you will write here the by balance carried down, and other side you will write 20,000. The first date of the next month February 1, here we will write to balance brought down. In this way furniture account is prepared. Now we will see the next account, and the next account is purchase account. Purchases account. And what was the entry in journal? Purchases account debit to cash account. In purchases account you cannot write purchase, so you will write cash, and cash is written in credit side, so you will write in the debit side. Here we will enter the date, and we will write here to cash account, and the amount is 50,000. After doing this we will take balance 50,000, again 50,000, and the balance is 50,000, so we will write here the last date, by balance carried down, and on the other side we will write 50,000, first date of the next month February 1, to balance brought down. In this way purchases account is prepared. Now we will see the last account, and the name of account is sales account. We will see what was the entry of sales account in journal. The entry was cash account debit to sales account. In sales account you cannot write sales, so you will write cash, and cash was written in debit side, so you will write in the credit side. By cash account and amount is 40,000. Here we will enter date, and after doing this we will take balance 40,000 and 40,000. After deducting 0, you will find 40,000 and first date of what was the date in given journal entry. It will come in the date, and we will write here to balance carried down. On the other side we will write here same 40,000, and the first date of next month will come by balance brought down. In this way, ledger posting is completed from journal. After preparing journal and ledger, we will prepare trial balance. And what is the rule of trial balance? How we can make trial balance from ledger? This is the main point. When you see the ledger, wherever the balance is written, you will write in the trial balance. This is main important thing. If the balance is given in debit side, you will write the amount in debit side at the time of preparing trial balance. If the balances are given in credit, you will write down in the credit side of the trial balance. This is the main thing you will have to learn when you are going to prepare the trial balance. Now we will see we will write here trial balance. It will be prepared on the last date. So we will write here as on January 31st. Here we will write the name of accounts, amount, this is debit and this is credit. Firstly, we will write down here all the names of accounts. The first one was cash account, second one was capital account, and third one was furniture account, and next is purchase account, and the last one is sales account. Now we will see our ledger, and in ledger cash balance was written in the debit side. So you will write here in debit. And what was the balance? And what was the balance? The balance was 1,70,000. So we will write here in the debit side 1,70,000. And capital account. capital account, the balance of capital account was 2 lakh and it was written in the credit side. So we will write here in the credit side. Look students, when we add the amounts of both sides and after doing this, when we take balances and when we find balances and when we find balances was entered by the name of to or by balance carried down. If you see the balance carried down, we will apply here the opposite thing, like capital account. When we were preparing capital account, at that time cash was written in the credit side and at that time to balance carried down came. If we see the debit side, you find to balance carried down. If you take the base of carried down, you will enter in trial balance on the opposite side. And on the other hand, if we see the balance brought down, the balance brought down was written in the credit side. At that time, you will see the as it is. If the balances brought down came in the credit side, you will write in the credit side. If you take the base of carried down, wherever the carried down is written, you will write in trial balance the opposite side. And if you take the balance brought down, wherever the balance brought down is written, you will write in the same side in the trial balance. So furniture, we take the furniture account where the amount will come. We will see at the time of furniture account, we have written to cash and the amount was 20,000 at that time. 20,000 was written in both sides and here was 0. So after deducting 0, you have found and you have written by balance carried down. If you take this, you will transfer into trial balance on the other side. On the other hand, 20,000. If you take the base balance brought down, at that time balance brought down was written in the debit side, you will write in the debit side of trial balance. It is up to you what base you are taking. If you take carried down, you will write on the other side of trial balance, and if you take the base as brought down, you will write in the same side. So we will write here 20,000 in debit side. Here we will put dash, where there is no amount we will put dash, and the purchase account in the same way. Purchase account, the amount is given 50,000 rupees and we will write here 50,000, and in the same way we will write sales account of rupees 40,000, and we will add all these amount 2,40,000. The same amount will come 2,40,000. We will write here total. In this way, students, we prepare trial balance. Firstly, we prepare journal. After making journal, we post all the journal entries into ledger, and after preparing ledger, we prepare trial balance in this method. Thank you for today.